guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little minute, but today I'll be doing a quick tutorial on the new Juvia'S Place, the Drama palette. This one is a limited edition, and it's such a beautiful palette. It gives a lot of pigment, and yeah, I'm just going to create a quick little look using this palette. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Keep on watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click that link down below. So first I'm going to use my shadow base. This is the P. Louise Rumor 2, and I'm just patting this in, not rubbing it. I want the coverage to kind of pay off. Next, I'm just going to take a blending brush. This one I'm using is the 224 by MAC. I'm just going to kind of blend that out. I'm going to use the Amrezy palette just because I need a transition shade. So I'm going to use either New Yorker or OG. Actually, I'm gonna use both. Use New Yorker first and put that in my crease. Transition here, and I am just using New Yorker. All right, next I'm going to use, I think I want to use this green. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of this yellow, which is Wasabi, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that in my crease. I'm gonna do a little green look. So I'm just gonna put that above the orange. I don't know if you could kind of see that. All right, so next I am going to use a brown, and we're gonna go ahead and use 1988. I'm gonna dab a little on my outer crease. Just to add a little dimension. I'm just gonna blend that out. So next I am going to take Gossip, which is this, and first I'm going to use it dry, and then I'll spray my brush if I need to get more of the pigment. And this is a 242 brush by MAC. So this is giving me pigment. Yes, that Fix Plus really did it. It is such a pretty shade. Look at that. So I went ahead and added a little bit of Fighter. I'm gonna mix these two. Kind of create my own little concoction here. And Fighter is very pigmented. So I'm just blending those two together. I'm just going in and blending my edges out so that there's no harsh lines. Okay guys, so I went ahead and completed the other eye off camera. So now I'm not going to do an actual eyeliner at the top, probably smoke it out, but I am going to use a liner for my bottom. Line. Mascara. This one is the Lily Lash. And lately I've been using the Extended Play by MAC on my bottom lash line, just because I've seen that it helps define it a little better. So and while that's drying, I'm just going to add some blush. I really do love this Colourpop Construct blush. This is from the Makeup Shayla collection. I use this legit like all the time. I have on my lashes. These are in the style Drama. These are my lashes, my brand. So be sure to go ahead and support you guys with Morphe. So I'm going to use the Shayla times Colourpop BFF liner in 3. Use Fenty. Now I'm going to add the MAC highlighter. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my completed look. I love the color, I love the color payoff in this palette. As you know, Juvia'S Place, their palettes are always pigmented. All of their shadows are pigmented. I was very shocked with the glitter shadow. I expected it to be, I don't know, I guess more patchy, but to my surprise, it's actually very beautiful. I can't wait to use these blues, this green and this blue one. If you don't have shades like this, again, you know, it's worth, I think it's $35 that it's going for. I mean, it's kind of a standard pricing. You don't get as many shadows. 20 shadows for $35. That's all right. That's not bad. But I do love the shades. Of course, I have a lot of purples, but I thought it was a unique palette, so that's why I bought it. So That's my opinion. I like the palette. You could go ahead and buy it. I think she's restocking again, where the last restock, or when she launched it, it's all out of stock now. Another product that I recently tried was the Fenty cream bronzer. Now, I tried this chocolate one twice. I mean, I used it today, but I still use Coco Naughty on top of it. I really wish that she came out with the shade in between chocolate and teddy, because, you know, this is pretty dark and it's pretty cool tone. It's not that warm. I got convinced to buy this again because I saw somebody lighter than me actually use the chocolate and it looked fine on her skin. But I don't know, for some reason, me using the chocolate, it's all right. I'm not like crazy over it, but because I already returned and then bought it again, this time I bought it from Fenty.com instead of Sephora, I'm not gonna go through that process again. So I'm just going to keep it, make it work, maybe use it on my eyes, use it on my lips, something. I'm just gonna keep it and just make use of it. Another thing that I did buy was this watermelon spray glow recipe. If you do have dry skin, I would definitely recommend this. I typically have combination. I tend to get oily in my T-zone, but I do like it. It smells so yummy, and you know, I'll continue to use this and keep you updated on this, but I've used it maybe twice and I like it so far. Is it something to go raving about? I'm not so certain as of yet because I've only tried it a few times, so I'll keep you posted on this. And that completes my review. Thanks guys for tuning in. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that link below and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my beautiful mink lashes at slrbeauty.com. Bye guys.